Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk through how to delete all chats on WhatsApp. Whether you want to free up some space or just clean up your chat history, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on the Settings option. Now, in the Settings menu, find and select the Chats section. In the Chat section, you'll see the option labeled Chat History. Tap on that and then click Delete All Chats. Keep in mind, this will remove all the conversations in WhatsApp. Once you've chosen your preferences, you'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Tap Delete to confirm. Your chats will be deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete all chats on WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy process, whether you want to start fresh or just clean up some space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.